Good morning. So for today, I'm going to have my class online. So online tayo today, and dahil online tayo and our class starts at 9 a.m. and it's currently magsa 7:30. So let's prepare ourselves. Let's set up the laptop. Let's go. Okay, so done na tayo mag-set up. So, here's our setup. So, andyan yung laptop ko for documents, PPTs. Then, yung for Zoom ko. Then, yung extra phone ko. Then, yung notebook, pencil case. And, of course, our view. Yan. So, mukhang ulan today. Mukhang ulan kasi medyo madilim dun. Hindi ko alam kung ano dun eh. Pero ayan na Shaw Boulevard. Yan. Andyan. May McDo doon. McDo Jollibee. Okay, so that's how our online setup looks like. And of course, with BTS, JK, Jin, RM, J-Hop, Yoongi, Jimin, and Taeyang V. Okay, so I wasn't able to buy yung tube ice. Kasi dapat tube ice lang bibilin ko. Then, I'll go make my own coffee. Kaya lang, nung nandun na ako sa 7-Eleven, I decided to buy these instead, yung Starbucks na Frappuccino. Kaya lang, kaya to Frappuccino kasi you're supposed to blend it with ice. Kaya lang, wala tayong blender. So, as is. Malamig naman siya. Malamig na siya. Galing siya ref. Let's go have our breakfast. Kasi may tira pa ako kagabi sa Shakey's. Shakey's! May tira pa ako. So, ito na lang breakfast natin. Kasi, sayang siya. Hindi tayo nagsasayang ng food. So, for my breakfast, I have my pizza. So, may natira pang Hawaiian pizza. Then, chicken. And yung coffee ko, for sure. And our view. So, while I'm having my breakfast, I'm gonna play some music or watch a Korean variety show that I downloaded sa iPad ko. guys, so now it's currently 10:15 a.m. and I know it's 10:11. So it's 10:11 in the morning and currently the students are on their break. So break time na sila, so they're having their snacks and teachers also has a chance to take a break just like the kids for 20 minutes, and currently we have 5 minutes left and we'll start and begin the class again. Okay, see you later. So now I still have my class, so nag-change lang ako ng polo na outfit, and today dumating na yung ref. So actually wala kaming ref for the past few weeks and we decided to buy. So nag-pinch in ako, nag-pinch in din si mommy, so we bought a ref. So yung binili namin is ayan na siya. So i-open natin siya today. So sana kaya ko. Feel ko naman kaya ko. Let's go. So, mamaya ako naliligpit yan. Pero, ito yun. Nalabas ko siya. Ayan. So, ang binili namin yung personal ref ni Condura. So, ayan. Ito yung fridge. Then, sa baba, yung ref niya mismo. Okay, so kailangan natin siya isaksak ng walang laman for at least 2 hours. Para yung lamig niya sa buong ref. Kasi pataas, pababa daw yung lamig. Yun yung sabi. Pero, ayan! Yay! So, may ref na tayo. So, let's go back. So, ayan. Currently, I'm in an online class. And binababa ko yung window kasi masyadong bright yung itsura ko kapag nagka-class. Okay, so, liligpitin ko lang muna yung mga box. Igigilid ko lang. Then, ilalabas ko siya later in the afternoon. After my class siguro, saka ko ilalabas yung mga karton. Ito, yung karton. Then yung styrofoam na nandun. Later ko sila ilalabas. currently 2 in the afternoon and it's currently raining here in Mandaluyong. Actually, kanina pa talaga umuulan sa ibang areas. Kaya lang ngayon lang, around 1 p.m., doon lang nagsimula bumagsak ng malakas yung ulan dito sa Mandaluyong. And our president decided to suspend classes in the NCR starting today and tomorrow, which is August 24, 2022. And yeah, I guess this is how I will end my vlog as I start my life as a teacher. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoy watching my videos, and don't forget to share, like, and subscribe for more videos. See you next time!